Cooperating is a golden rule you don't break. You break that rule, you die. I broke that rule. If I'm ever killed, don't get mad at the guy who came down. He's following orders, doing what he's supposed to do.
Do you ever miss that friendship you had with John?
I wouldn't want to see anybody die like he did, in prison, like a dog with cancer. But I wish we were out, and I would shoot him in his fucking head tomorrow, because he betrayed me like that. I was with him 11 months in prison before I flipped, and he said, Sammy, I'm gonna make the lawyers make you look like a monster. You hear John Gotti complaining about Sammy. He's killing union guys, he's killing partners in business. He's doing all that. It's not, poor John Gotti lost control of his fucking animal. So I said, John, is that what you really want to do? He said, that's what I have to do. The boss has to be free and you gotta do the time. You want to sacrifice me, and you don't want me to defend myself to try to fight for my freedom. What will my wife and children think when people are calling me a sadistic animal, a serial killer, or this or that? I'm not a serial killer, I'm a hit guy. No. I'm not gonna sit there like a potted plant and do that. It didn't take a coward's position. It took balls to do what I did.
Do you ever think if I had to do it again, I would do it differently?
I really feel that I am a gangster right this minute sitting here. You want me to talk to kids? I'll talk to them. I'll tell them this. You want to be me? You want to be Sammy the Bull? You're going to kill your best friends, or they're going to kill you. You're going to do 22 years in prison like I did. You're going to get shot twice like I was. You're going to get stabbed once like I was. You're going to go to prison. You're going to fight your whole life. Go ahead, sucker. Be me.